Welcome back. I'm Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys some DIY Dollar Tree winter / Valentine's Day decor crafts. I love to share with y'all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe you don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Happy New Year to everyone. I am looking forward to a wonderful, fabulous, blessed New Year, and I hope you are as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. And without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting.
Here's Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to create a beautiful pink and white ombre vase. So for the supplies, you'll just need some pink and white craft paint and then a glass vase from the Dollar Tree. So I start at the top with the white paint and I paint about halfway down, and then I go from the bottom with the pink paint and just kind of blend it together, and that will give it this beautiful ombre effect. When I did this craft, thank you, my daughter was giving me a thumbs up there, you guys. So when I did this craft, I did let half of the vase dry and then continued on with the other half. Once my vase was dry, I just added in some of these beautiful Dollar Tree roses, daisies, and just a variety of kind of fresh spring romantic flowers. And also it's really fun to use those sparkly pink heart picks to add in during the Valentine's Day season. And here it is. I think it came out so beautiful. I also think it would be really sweet to put some fairy lights in this vase. It would just make just this gentle glow. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create this beautiful light up chalkboard sign. So just take one of those heart Valentine chalkboard signs from the Dollar Tree and then some white craft paint, and you're just going to gently paint all the way around over the red. Now if you like the red and you're doing red for Valentine's Day, that is great. And also remember, you guys can customize any of these projects. All you have to do is change the paint color to match your home decor. So once I had this painted with 2 coats and dried, I just took one of those Dollar Tree fairy lights, and then I started from the center of the fairy lights and I poked it through the top part. This was where the sign hanger was. I just clipped that off, and then I checked it, and then I just took some tape and taped that center light and then ran the rest of the lights kind of down and around the side, and then I just taped the battery pack to the back. It went perfectly in my cabinet and was very easy to turn off and on, and I thought it was such a cute way to make a marquee kind of fancy sign, and it was only $1. I already had the lights on hand, so I guess it would be $2 if you guys didn't have lights, but so cute. And I just also love to have lights on hand. After the Christmas season, I love that soft glow. So it was fun to do this. And this is a great little sign because you guys can change this sign out for your loved ones. I chose to write I love you with an XO. And I just love this for Valentine's Day and really any time of the year. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create this really pretty little canisters. I just used some stickers from the Dollar Tree school supply section, and all I did was stick them right on the front of these glass jars. I found these at Dollar Tree as well, and they were so pretty and detailed. I ended up using these in my bathroom to store nail polish and some different things in. And then I just grabbed some pink raffia from the Dollar Tree ribbon section, and I tied a little bow on the side, and I think these came out so adorable. They were so inexpensive, and this is a super easy craft and a really neat customized way to get those little odds and ends organized. I don't know if you guys are going through an organization process right now in your home, but I am. I really love to get things organized after the new year, and I think these came out so beautiful. They're perfectly romantic, and they would also make a great candy jar if you needed to give candy to a special loved one or maybe as a teacher gift. So I thought these came out great. Comment and let me know, you guys, which one of these crafts is your favorite and if you'll be doing any of these crafts. I love to hear what you guys are doing. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create this beautiful, very simple, little elegant wreath. So I'm just using this pink foam wreath from Dollar Tree and some of that raffia. And I'm also using my blinged out craft spatula to wrap the raffia and glue it on. That way I'm not burning my fingers quite as much. So at the base of your wreath, you're just going to hot glue some raffia on and then just kind of twist it. And I had already been using some of this raffia for another project, so I only went halfway up the wreath, and I felt like that was okay because I'm also going to be adding a bow to the other side. But you could definitely get creative with this, use different colors, go all the way around, just do whatever your heart desires. So I had enough to go all the way to the top, and then once I got to the top, I just hot glued the back, and that really finished it off. So now we're going to create a really cute easy bow. You're just going to take a piece of ribbon and fold it over on itself, and I'm adding a little dab of hot glue. This is some wired ribbon that I found at Dollar Tree, and then I'm just wrapping it over on itself again, and I'm adding another dab of hot glue. You could also do this without adding the hot glue, that would work as well. And then you're going to pinch it together to make kind of a little bow tie, and then you're going to just tie it off with a pipe cleaner in the center. And I'm going to create 2 of these bows. I want to layer the burlap ribbon on top of this pink ribbon to give it a little bit more of a rustic feel. I do want to do some more rustic ideas for my kitchen. So now that I am going to tie this piece of burlap ribbon on with a little bow with this XO ribbon that I found from Dollar Tree, and this is looking so sweet, and this was so easy to do. And then I'm just going to tie the pink bow on top of that, and voila, super easy, you guys. And we have this really darling little bow. And if you want to get a little bit extra, you can definitely add some more bow to this. I'm just creating a quick little loopy bow by kind of just looping several loops of this XO ribbon together just to go a little bit over the top. You guys know how I love the bows, so this step is definitely optional. So I'm going to cut that off and then just hot glue that to the center, and that's also going to kind of secure the rest of this bow on. And then I did want to add a beautiful detail. I'm so in love with the Dollar Tree stickers right now. So I just found one of the Dollar Tree stickers, and I hot glued a little dab of hot glue to the back and added that to the center of this bow. And I think this is so beautiful, dainty, very elegant. I'm going to add it to the cabinet either in my dining room, or this might be some bathroom decor. It's so sweet for Valentine's Day. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to do a repaint on this cute little love sign. I love this sign because it comes completely plain, and so you guys can really get creative with how you want to paint this sign or decorate it. But I'm just going to start out with a coat of white craft paint. Now I did get in and around the top and the sides of this sign because they were kind of that burlappy color, and then I'm going in with some pink paint again and doing that kind of ombre effect. I also decided to get a little bit extra with this sign and dab in some gold paint. Again, this is completely optional, but I thought it ended up making this sign look kind of glam and very customized. Again, you guys can match this to whatever decor that you love. And I have added this sign to my cabinet in my dining room. I may end up putting it in a wreath though, because I do have some gold ribbon. So here it is. I think it came out really lovely, very beautiful, and just a fun and easy craft to do. I think you guys could even do this with your kiddos.
Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafting and decorating adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. For all of my returning followers and subscribers, thank you all so much for being here. I am looking forward to a fabulous new year, and I'm wishing you guys a gorgeous, blessed new year as well. For those of you all who are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I'm a DIY crafty mama. I love to share with you all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe you don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. And speaking of fabulous, amazing home, I cannot wait to share with you guys my romantic home tour that I'm going to be doing for the upcoming season. I'm going to be decorating my house in a romantic style, tidying things up, and just looking forward to the future with joy. So I invite you guys to join me as we step into the new year with hope, joy, and faith. I have so much faith in you guys. I have so much joy for the future, and I have daily hope every single day. So I just hope you all do as well. And no matter where you're at, I just want to encourage you guys, don't give up. Keep going. Even if you suffer a setback, we're all gonna go through setbacks, but keep putting one foot in front of the other. You guys can do it. You've got this. And I just want to hug all of your hearts so tight. I know some of you all are out there are going through so much. I read your comments, and I just want to let you guys know, keep going. I love y'all. If you need prayer, drop that prayer request down below. We're going to be doing so much fun crafting and decorating and encouraging one another and loving on one another. We're all on this journey together. So I love you. I can't wait for our next video. And until then, be kind to yourselves. Be kind to one another. We'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.